Hi everyone, thanks for watching the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Ethiopian tips ever. Here are the ingredients for this dish. First things first, cut up your tenderloins into a bite-sized cuts. Make sure you get good quality tenderloins, so it will be nicely charred on the outside but still tender and juicy in the inside. Then season with salt and pepper. You don't need any other seasonings except fresh rosemary. Use a grapeseed oil or any of the high smoke wine oils. Put that aside for now. Thinly slice half a red onion, then cut in half, and one jalapeno chopped with or without seeds. It's up to you how spicy you want it. Then cut your garlic in thin slices. And lastly, cut a half a tomato in 6 to 8 pieces. Turn your pan on high heat, like scorching high heat. Once you see your pan starting to smoke up, use a high smoke point oil like grapeseed oil with zero flavor. Make sure you use a good cast iron skillet or a good quality pan that can handle a lot of heat. It's very key to keep stirring because you're cooking this at a very high heat and you don't want to cook it unevenly or overcook it. The actual cooking part is less than 2 minutes. Then add the chopped jalapenos and garlic. The garlic is going to completely intensify the flavor profile when combined with the fresh rosemary. Lastly, add the tomatoes for the last 30 seconds or so. Then turn off the heat. The main purpose of this half tomato is to give off some of its juices to intensify the charred tenderloins flavor. Then carefully try a piece to make sure it's seasoned to taste. Once you turn off the heat, make sure you start plating immediately to avoid overcooking your tenderloins. Alright, let's get ready to plate. Lay a bed of this beautiful injera with a side of aze dipping sauce, which we will have an episode in the near future on how to make different kinds of azes. Tips is by far one of my favorite dishes that I grew up eating in Ethiopia and still eat very often because of the love I have for this dish and how easy it is to make in so many different ways. Alright, here's my favorite part. This tips was amazing and it got crushed as soon as the camera turned off. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.